Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here. It's been a long time since I've made a video. My summer schedule has been crazy, but the last couple weeks I've been looking at the market a little bit more and just haven't seen much to take trades. You know, if you don't see something that you like, you can't really push it, right? So the month of August was a little bit slow, at least when I was on, right? So now I'm not a full-time trader, but I do jump on if I am around in the mornings, preferably around 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, with the kids going back to school today, I happened to be around and saw an opportunity. So, I just wanted to go over this with you. The stock that I traded this morning, and we made $60 in less than 3 minutes. So, this was a good trade. I liked the fact that it had a catalyst. It had news out at 7 a.m. This is great. I love when these companies release this stuff at 7 a.m., 8 a.m. You know that they're trying to target a lot of these retail traders, right? So the market was closed yesterday for Labor Day. Today is the first day back. Expected some decent moves, which we've seen. So SHFS. This is the stock that I traded. The catalyst on it, okay, was a marijuana bank. So basically getting banking to all these community banks, credit unions, financial institutions that are looking to serve this, cannabis industry. So that's a good catalyst. I liked the catalyst. Then what I look for is what the company's float is. I like to trade stocks that have a low float. Okay. A little bit of supply and a ton of demand can make some pretty big moves. All right. So if we go over here to Yahoo Finance, click on statistics and just scroll down and you could take a look at the float. This float is very low. 1.24 million is what Yahoo has it. That is a great float for this type of trading that I like to do with this micro cap, small supply, get a nice catalyst on it to get that demand from day traders. And then once we have that, then I could look at the charts and figure out, okay, where do I want to take my trade? All right, so that's the thing. You have your catalyst, right? Which was your news. And then you check the float, okay? Those are good things to start with. And then what we do is, where is this entry point going to be? Okay. So for me, I'm looking at the 1 minute chart up here. I'm also looking at the 5 minute chart, which is super, super important to me. The 1 minute is also very important, but the 5 minute is really, really, I like to have that as, my confirmation, right? So on the 1 minute, we're trading over VWAP. That's super important. I do not like to take trades that are under the volume weighted average price. So it's showing strength. Okay. I got in here at 712, anticipating this 5 minute candle that comes next, looking for, you had that initial push. Then you had this candle of indecision, a nice green candle on the 5 minute down here, and then looking for that next leg higher, which is what we got here. I sold out on that 715 candle for the profit. Okay, so we got the 20 cents times 300 shares is $60. Okay, nice, easy, small trade. Like I said, we had the catalyst, we had the float, we were over VWAP, having a nice setup here on the 1 minute, right? I wanted more of a breakout, didn't get it, so I didn't get greedy, took my profit, but it was already up over 100% at this point. So I thought that was a good move. Good to take profits there. And that's why I got out on this 5 minute candle. Okay. And then you can see it's kind of just gone sideways since. And now we're under VWAP down here on the 5 minute. So anyway, looks like the market is looking to open a little bit down today, but there's still a lot of opportunities here in the micro cap, small cap trading. A lot of stocks here over 60%. and we have a couple, one of them's over 100% here. So good momentum to start the week, good momentum to start September, and just felt like coming on here making a quick video for you guys. I'm still around. I'm still looking at the markets when I can. So hit that thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.